Universal Remote Programming for Sharp TV.
Welcome to our guide on entering Sharp TV Universal Remote codes. This video will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to enter these codes into your Universal Remote, making it compatible with your Sharp TV. Let's dive into the process.
What do I need?
First and foremost, you need to have a universal remote control and the correct Sharp TV remote codes. These codes typically come in a booklet with your universal remote, but can also be found online. The codes usually range between 3 to 5 digits.
How to begin the setup?
Once you have the necessary items, follow these steps. 1. Turn on your Sharp TV. 2. Point your remote towards the TV. 3. Press and hold the setup button on the remote until the indicator light or LED on the remote turns on or blinks.
What's next after setup?
After setup, the next step is entering the code 1. Press the appropriate device button on the remote, e.g., TV. 2. Type in the code for your Sharp TV using the number buttons on the remote. If done correctly, the indicator light should turn off.
How to test the remote?
To check if the remote has been programmed correctly, 1. Press the power button on your remote. If the TV turns off, the programming was successful. 2. If the TV doesn't turn off, repeat the process with a different code from your list. That concludes our guide on entering Sharp TV Universal Remote codes into your Universal Remote. We hope you found it helpful. With these simple steps, you should be able to operate your Sharp TV with your Universal Remote. If the first code doesn't work, don't worry. Just try another one from your list. Good luck and enjoy your Universal Remote with your Sharp TV.